Let's say that my students have to write a few paragraphs about a visit we made to the zoo, and they have to talk about their favorite animal. Using the word predictor tool, as soon as the student inserts the cursor on the page, the program will provide some suggestions about how to start. Notice how the program is providing words for the student to choose from. Predicting what will fit the sentence. The student can choose the words by simply pressing the tab. Let's say that they misspell some things. They can actually find the correct spelling. For example, they can choose what's the right word in English. Here it is. As the students continue typing, the extension will provide them with different words that they could choose from to continue developing their paragraphs. This is a good illustration of what a program can do for a student to allow them to look at different types of words and work on their word choice to complete their writing. Another very useful tool is actually the Talk to Type tool. As the student talks, the extension will be typing the words into the page. Another thing I like about the giraffe is the fact that we can feed them with leaves. My friends and I had a lot of fun feeding the giraffes.